Okay, question about how does the McCaig Mastery Trust one-on-one course, how does it work? Like, how does this trust work? Jack, how does the trust work? Okay, good question. Really, it works like any other business type, whether, you open a, like, you're doing personal finances or business finances or whatever, right? Uh, you get a bank account, you could have like a Schwab or TD Ameritrade account, like a brokerage account. You can own vehicles and mobile homes and so on via a title. You can own real estate via deed, so on. Get credit cards. Really, any way that you could operate a business, any way you could do it, you could do it with the trust. Okay, there are no limitations. The good news about having this type of trust is it is a non-taxable entity from the jump. So as soon as it's created, it's automatically, upon inception, a 501c3 tax exempt organization. Pretty clever, huh? Yeah, it's in the go over that, but it's a 508c1a trust. Go over that and other questions and answers. So, really, the difference of operating this is, guess what? All you do with the IRS is you get your EIN, and then you don't file anything with them. Yeah, that's the law. No annual filings, or just no filings of any kind at any time. Just fantastic, right? You save all this time by not having to file paperwork and keep certain records for the IRS and stuff. You don't have to do that. And you don't pay income tax, both. Isn't that fantastic? That's the law. So follow the law. We're here to help you. It's really easy, and we train you how to do it. And it's not just how you get the bank account open, but it's all this other stuff we give you with the Mastery Edition. So it's really a piece of cake, honestly. It's just we found a way to save time and money, and we want to pass it on to you. So if you already, everyone knows how to use a debit card, credit card, and so on. You're not going to do anything different. All you're doing is cutting out the annual filing and the fees you pay to the IRS. Fantastic. And some other taxes you can get out of it as well. So very simple what you're doing already, but savings. Okay. Look forward to helping you.